When we talk about the universe, we're dealing with scales that are hard to fathom. Imagine the Earth's 4.5 billion year history compressed into a single year. On this cosmic calendar, humans only appear in the last few hours of December 31st. Now zoom out further. The universe itself is roughly 13.8 billion years old. That's like stretching our entire cosmic year across almost 14 calendar pages. This vastness of time is crucial to understanding the potential end of the universe. These cosmic timescales dwarf our human lifespans. It's humbling to realize that our existence is but a blip in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Yet it makes the question of the universe's end all the more intriguing, and perhaps even a little unsettling. Welcome to Planetary Possibilities. My name is Aria, and today we will look into the impossible, but scary what-if scenario of the universe dying in the year 2050. Cosmologists have proposed several theories about how the universe might end. One prominent idea is the Big Freeze. This scenario suggests that the universe will continue to expand and cool down indefinitely. As the universe expands, galaxies drift further apart, and star formation eventually ceases. The universe slowly fades into a cold, dark, and lifeless state. This is often described as a heat death, where entropy reaches its maximum and no more useful energy is available. Another possibility is the Big Crunch. This theory proposes that the universe's expansion will eventually reverse, and gravity will pull everything back together. This would lead to a colossal collapse, compressing all matter and energy into an incredibly dense singularity. Finally, there's the Big Rip. This scenario suggests that the expansion of the universe is accelerating at an ever-increasing rate, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. Eventually, this accelerating expansion becomes so strong that it overwhelms the fundamental forces holding matter together. Stars, planets, and even atoms themselves would be ripped apart in a cataclysmic event. While these theories offer different endgames, they all operate on timescales far beyond human comprehension. These events are billions, if not trillions of years in the future. It's important to distinguish between the end of the universe and the end of humanity, or even life as we know it. While the universe may have an ultimate expiration date, our own story on Earth is likely to be far shorter. The Earth itself is estimated to be habitable for another billion years or so. After that, the sun's increasing luminosity will make our planet uninhabitable. This is a natural process, unrelated to any of the universe-ending scenarios described earlier. Human civilization, on the other hand, faces a multitude of more immediate threats. These range from climate change and nuclear war to potential pandemics and asteroid impacts. These are risks we can and should address within our lifetimes, regardless of the universe's ultimate fate. The year 2050 might seem far off, but it's within the lifetime of many people alive today. Our civilization faces several existential risks within this time frame. Climate change is causing extreme weather, rising sea levels, and ecosystem disruptions. Without action, these impacts will worsen, leading to displacement and unrest. AI is advancing rapidly, offering benefits but also significant risks. Responsible development is crucial to avoid unforeseen consequences. Advanced AI could lead to mass unemployment and autonomous weapons. The threat of nuclear war remains a real danger. There are thousands of nuclear weapons and geopolitical tensions that create a constant risk. And as we've learned, there are pandemics that can emerge unexpectedly and spread rapidly. Antibiotic resistance and engineered pathogens pose real significant threats. And then there are asteroid impacts. Though rare, are ever-present threats. A large asteroid could cause global devastation. Proactive planning, cooperation, and innovation are essential for a brighter future. The concept of the end of the world evokes a primal fear in humans. It represents the ultimate unknown, the cessation of existence as we know it. But what does it truly mean? For the world to end? Is it the physical destruction of our planet? The extinction of humanity? Or is it something more nuanced, like the irreversible loss of our values, cultures, or way of life? Philosophers throughout history have grappled with these questions. Some view the end with despair, seeing it as a meaningless cosmic event. Others find solace in the cyclical nature of existence, believing that destruction paves the way for new beginnings. Perhaps the most empowering perspective is to recognize that while we may not be able to prevent the ultimate fate of the universe, we have a say in how we live our lives and what kind of legacy we leave behind. Instead of fearing the end, we can choose to embrace the present moment and strive to create a more just, compassionate, and sustainable world. In doing so, we find meaning and purpose, regardless of what the distant future holds. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, with a beginning and an end, far beyond our comprehension. While we may never know for certain how or when it will all end, one thing is clear: our time on this planet is precious and finite. Instead of dwelling on the inevitable, let us focus on what we can control: our actions, our choices, and the legacy we leave behind. Let us strive to be good stewards of our planet, to nurture knowledge and understanding, and to leave the world a better place than we found it. In the grand cosmic tapestry, our individual lives may seem insignificant, but it's the sum of these lives, our collective efforts to create, love, and explore, that truly defines our existence. That is the story we should be focused on telling, the legacy we should strive to leave behind, regardless of how or when the universe's final chapter unfolds. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more planetary possibilities. See you next time.